Hello everybody, welcome to the training video for metallurgical image analysis system. In this video, we will cover the decarbonization module. First, we will open an image. You can see here there are some areas up to partial decarbonization is done. There are some areas up to complete decarbonization is done. Carbon or carbon-based area is shown in the white patches. So complete decarb is where that is missing. So once after opening the image, you select the decarbonization module. This is the interface for decarbonization. There are two measurements. One is a partial decarb. We will mark the area up to partial decarb is done. We will mark the areas for complete decarb is done. We have to mention one information where the direction or orientation of decarbonization. In this image, the decarbonization is in the vertical direction because we have taken the image this way. So we will tell the system, yes, I am doing my orientation is in the vertical direction. First I will draw lines from the edge to the point where there is partial decarbonization. Then I will select complete decarbonization and I draw lines from the edge to the locations, approximate locations where there is complete decarbonization. So first I will mark the partial decarbonization. Basically, you are clicking at one point, releasing the mouse and drawing a line to the, since you have selected the vertical, the line will be always vertical. Even if you move the mouse, it will be vertical. You draw the locations where there is partial decarbonizations. Then you select, you are going to mark the areas where is complete decarbonization. This will be done in mm. Unit is mm. The results for decarbonization is always given in mm. Complete decarbonization, same thing. You have to mark areas where up to complete decarbonization is done. If you have done for partial decarbonization, do the same for complete decarbonization and click on the add results. So this will give for the sample 1 what is the decarbonization for the field 1. Field 1 means sample 1. You can repeat the process for sample 2, sample 3. So all those things will be added here and the last row will be the average of these two. We can try to do the analysis for one more sample. We will do the analysis on same thing again. First we are doing the partial decarb. Then we will do the complete decarb. Add it. So when we add it, you have seen that there are two samples now. And the last row will show the average of this. You can create a report, you can add any number of samples to this and you select whether you want all images or any specific image you want. If you click on the report button, it will give the same report dialog which you have done. You can add your remarks or your part number, supplier, all the information which you want in the report. If you click on the report, it will generate the report for you. The same report can be generated in the PDF format also. Right now we have selected Excel, so we are getting a report in the Excel format. So this is all about decarbonization. Thank you.